are in credit check total. It looks like we have 11 inquiries, okay, on Experian. So we were doing Experian inquiry removal. Just notice the date, July 18th here, okay. So go to credit score. Okay, so his credit score was 699 out of 830. Okay, and that was as of 7/18/2013. Now we'll go to view archived reports, and so we told him to update his report. It was finished on the 23rd. So we go to credit inquiries, and here we go. 0 inquiries on Experian, so we got all of them removed. Now let's take a look at how that affected his score. Alright, and it jumped up 21 points to a 720 from 699. Here, let's just look at that again. 699. Oops. Oh, they're both the same. 699 to 720. Again, 699, 720.
Hi, I was calling to give some feedback on my experience with Credit Repair Company. My experience has been great. In just a few days, they cleaned up my inquiries and raised my score 20 points. I would definitely refer them to anybody and recommend them to all my friends. And I was really happy with the way they treated me. Their customer service was great, and they got the job done. Thank you, Credit Repair Company.